In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Procreate animations. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add audio to your animations in Procreate. Unfortunately, Procreate itself does not have a built-in feature to directly add audio to your animations, but there are some major workarounds that most people use. So to start, you can export and edit it into a video editing software. So if you are able to, the best consideration that you can make is to finish your animation, export your animation in a format like MP4, and you will be able to place it inside of something like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve. Inside of those video editing softwares, you will be able to add the audio files that you want to use and synchronize with your animation. Then export the final video, syncing together the audio and the animation. Now, if this does not work and you don't like this approach, you want to use the audio within the animation itself while you are making it, then you can try Procreate Dreams. You can import audio files into Procreate Dreams, which is Procreate's animation app. In there, you can sync the audio with the animation timeline, but it is still being developed and you might encounter issues. If you go with this approach, it's very important that you are aware of the length of your timeline that you created. So whenever you start a project inside of Procreate Dreams, there will be a limit that you will have to set it to. If your audio file goes past that limit, then you won't be able to edit the rest of the audio timeline. So keep that in mind. Besides this, the third approach is simply going to be using third-party apps and services. So apps like CapCut or InShot, which offer basic video editing features, including the option to add audio. You can use websites like WeVideo or Clipchamp to obtain the same results, but essentially it is choosing between using a third-party software after you export the animation or using Procreate Dreams and importing the audio directly into your timeline. I hope I was able to help you on how to add audio to Procreate animations. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.